everybody, I'm Elka and I'm here to tell you a little about entertainment, language, culture and adventure in different spots of Brazil. And today I'm in a small town called Bananal. It is in São Paulo state. Follow me for more. This was one of the wealthiest cities during the coffee boom and still preserves many historical venues from the 18th and 19th centuries, such as plantations, churches, and urban mansions featuring Portuguese tiles, Belgian crystal, and imported furniture. The word Bananal in Portuguese means banana plantation, but the city's name has nothing to do with bananas. Bananal is derived from the indigenous word banani, which the native people used to refer to the local river. The Tupi term means winding river due to the river's curves and course. In 1770, a new road was built between São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro, and Bananal lies along that road. The town was considered one of the most important municipalities in the state of São Paulo in terms of coffee production, and it was the second largest slave-owning municipality in the state. The Bananal Railroad Station is a historic gem and the only example of Belgian prefabricated architecture in Latin America. Built entirely of metal in 1888 and inaugurated in 1889, the railroad operated until 1964 and is no longer in use for transportation. Pharmacia Popular is the oldest pharmacy still in operation in Brazil. It was founded in 1830 as the Farmácia Imperial in Bananal. During our visit to Bananal, we stayed at the Fazenda dos Coqueiros, an imposing farm that now produces milk, but it was one of the most important farms during the region's golden age of coffee production. Since the 1990s, the site has been welcoming visitors and has been developed as a tourist attraction. They offer a guided historical tour that must be booked in advance. Through this guided tour, we had the opportunity to learn about the daily life on the farm in the past. Unfortunately, history shows us the mistakes humanity has made that must never be repeated. This farm, like all others of the era, relied on slave labor and many tragic events took place there. This is a restroom of that time, which was quite advanced since farms did not used to have restrooms. It was used to dispose of the family's waste or used as a restroom by the house servants. After watching the farm animals, we hit a dirt road in Serra da Bocaina to visit the Vale das Cachoeiras. Vale means valley, Cachoeira means waterfall. It is advisable to use a four-wheel drive car to get to the place or get in touch with them to pick you up with their truck. Their contact is in the video description. The Vale das Cachoeiras is a private property with nice trails and waterfalls to be visited, as well as a pool with spring water for visitors to swim in. Besides, you can also have lunch or snacks and fresh fruit juice there, so it is a perfect place to have contact with nature, exercise, relax, and spend the day. The most famous natural attraction in Bananal is the Cachoeira do Bracuí. The hike there is a little longer, so we couldn't visit it this time. But it's worth to contact a local guide for this attraction. The place is really beautiful and the view from up there is astonishing. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more about Brazil's countryside with Elka. See you!